Good morning, students. Let's start exercise 5.7. So today I will teach you how to do the multiplication in fraction. So today we will do only question number 1 and question number 2. This is also very easy. I will show you how you have to do it. I will solve question number 1A for you. Okay, so that you can understand this. The question is 2 by 4 into 3 by 7. Look how I am solving. 2 by 4, 3 by 7. Listen, first of all you have to see whether it will be cut or not. You have to see. No. So we have to simply multiply it. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. So 2 3 ja 6. Okay. 4 7 ja, it is 28. Now you have to see whether it will be in simplest form or not, or it will go through a simplest form or not. It is not in simplest form. We can convert this into simplest form. So we will take a number which can divide both 6 and 28. So 2 is the number which can divide both this and this. Now 3 by 14. Now it is in simplest form because not a single number can divide both this. So this is your answer, 3 by 14. Okay, this is easy one. I will show you one more question for that. Okay, I will solve question number 1H. The question is 23 whole 7 by 16. Okay, into 1 whole 5 by 22 into 6. Listen, first of all you have to see this question is in mixed form. So first of all you have to convert this into proper fraction. So for this, first of all you have to multiply this. Now multiply it and add it. So after doing you will get it 375 by 16 into, again multiply it, then add it. After that you will get 27 by 22 into, this is only 6, so write here 6 and write a 1 in the denominator. Okay, now see whether it will be cut or not. So I think it will be cutted, this and this, 2 11 time and 2 3 time. Okay, now no one will be cut, so we have to simply multiply the numerator. Multiply 375 into 27 into 3. After multiplying the numerator you will get 30375. Okay, now multiply the denominator. After multiplying the denominator you will get 176. Okay, now you have to see whether this number will be in simplest form or not, or you can convert this into simplest form or not. So we have to convert this into simplest form, but it cannot be converted into simplest form. So we have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide it. So I will show you how you have to divide it. Now divide it, 176 by 30375. So how much time you will get? One time you will get 176. Now subtract it. After subtracting you will get 7, then 2, then 1. Now here 7. Then it will go for 7 times. It is 1 2 3 2. Now again subtract it, 5 and 4, this one, this one. Now come here 5. Now again it will go 2 times, just 352. Now subtract it, 3 0 and 1. Now you have to know this quotient will be right here and this remainder will be written here and this 176 will be here. So this is the way you can solve this question. I will solve one more question for you. I will solve question number 2. It is also find the product, same process. I will solve question number C for you. Okay, question is 10 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 3 by 7 into 1 whole 1 by 4. So first of all you have to convert this into proper fraction. 10 2 ja 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 3 it is 17 by 7. 1 4 ja 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Now you have to see whether it will be cut or not. So it will be cut. 7 3 ja. Okay, now no one will be cut it. Now you have to multiply this. Okay, so now you have to multiply 17 3. 17 3 ja 51. So 51 into 5. So you will get 25. You will get 255. Now multiply the denominator. It is 4 2 ja 8. Okay, now you can see this cannot be converted into simplest form. So you have to multiply it. So multiply it. 8 3 ja 24. Write here 1 and 5. Again 8 1 ja 8. Now subtract it. It is 7. So your final answer will be, this quotient will be written here and this remainder will be written here and this. So this is the way through which you can solve the questions. Understand? Thank you.